Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, I want to break down to you how you can understand the level of Fiverr. Fiverr is a kind of popular website whereby freelancers make money with their skill. So there's no doubt about that. And I'm working on Fiverr. As you can see on the screen here, I have gotten my level 1 promotion as a graphic designer on Fiverr. But before you get to all this level, there are a lot of things involved. It's not really easy, most especially when your niche has been in a saturated environment. We all know that there are a lot of graphic designers offer the same skills on Fiverr. But with time, you will surely achieve your own level on Fiverr. Now, walking you through the step on how you can attain level 1, level 2, and top seller on Fiverr. That's what I'm going to discuss on this video. Now, when you are able to make sales of maximum of $400 and you have your 5-star rating, no warning, no mistake during your 30 days on Fiverr, you will be promoted to a level 1 seller. So when you are getting promotion to a level 1 seller, Fiverr is going to unveil to you the rest of the things, the rest of the criteria to move to level 2 seller and the top rated seller. So let me quickly show you all those information. So follow me. So I have to come to my home tab here. So I will click down to check my message here. Then I will come to level, or I click on it, and we click on open in a new tab. So we can come here now and check the level criterion of Fiverr, so you know how you work hard to attain all those things and how to play safe on Fiverr. These are very much important. You may see it as something easy, but it's not that easy, right? So now, for you to attain levels on Fiverr, these are the criteria you need to follow. So you can read direct from my screen. That is why I zoom the camera. So your seller level is based on your monthly performance, superb service, high buyer satisfaction, and on-time delivery, and so on and so forth. So now, when you get to a new level seller, there will be a review on your account. Now, when you get to level 1 seller, let me show you the kind of advantages you're going to have at the level 1 seller. So when you get to level 1 seller, they're going to review your account. Now, to reach a level 1 seller status, you need to meet the following criteria: be an active seller for at least 60 days, complete at least 10 orders all time, earn $400 or more, maintain 4.7 or 5-star rating over the 60 days, then deliver 90% response rates, score 90% order completion rate in the rate of 60 days, achieve 90% on time delivery score 60%, receive no warning within that period of a month. So when you meet up with all these things, you will be promoted to level 1 seller. So when you get promotion to level 1 seller, these are your benefits as a level 1 seller. Now you can create up to 10 active gigs. You remember, when you have not getting to a level, when you have not getting any level as a Fiverr seller, you will be limited to create just the number of 7 gigs. But when you get the promotion to level 1 seller, you can create active gig up to 10. Then another thing is that you can add, instead of a 3 services charge, you can create 4 services charge for each gig. And also you can create a custom offer of up to $20,000 each, and you can withdraw any after 14 days. It's not going to be very long, unlike when you are not getting to the level 1 seller. I think that is a very good lesson here. Now move to level 2 seller. So when you get to the level 2 seller, these are the criteria for level 2 seller. So be an active seller for at least 120 days and the rest. Then when you actually achieve all these criteria to move to level 2 seller, these are your benefits as a level 2 seller. So you can see you can add 5 extra per gigs. So this simply means that you can create more than 3 to 4 gig extra price, and you can create a custom offer of $20,000 at a go and enjoy priority customer support. So withdraw your earning after 14 days. So these are the things you benefit as a second level seller. So let's move to top rated seller. What are the top rated seller? Top rated seller are the people that meet up all these criteria, and this is the last promotion on Fiverr. So if you are able to get to this level, congratulations to you, because you are already a Fiverr millionaire. That is a very good assurance, very good assurance. So now, if you walk through the stuff, these are the things you're going to benefit after you are successfully become a top rated seller. And these are the things you need to understand about the seller level on Fiverr. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, click like button, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video about Fiverr, and hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.